After designing a schematic, users have a few options to create some standardized lists. First off, as a NetSkeme Plus customer, you're able to go to Preferences and add from a long list of customizable columns, then edit the display information for those attributes. You can also change some of the display properties of your lists, including unit, heading, text, and direction. The process for editing the ports list is much the same as the parts list, just with different selectable attributes. Before leaving Preferences, make sure you save your selections. To export the parts list to an Excel file, click the drop-down on the Insert Parts List ribbon command and select Export Parts List to Excel. Now for making the lists. Select Insert Parts List from the ribbon menu to insert a parts list. Once inserted, you can select the list and move with the green grip point to move the entire list, or the blue grip points to adjust column or row width. The blue circle point at the bottom of the list allows for splitting the table. Note, the only thing different about inserting the ports list is selecting the Insert Ports List command from the top menu. Ports will automatically be grouped by port type.